Hey, are you a high school dropout, a college dropout, or someone who took an online course or a coaching program and didn't finish it as well? And you still have big dreams of entrepreneurship? Well, welcome to today's video where we're going to be diving deep into the world of networking for aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Will here, and I'm thrilled to be your guide in this journey. As a former high school dropout myself turned successful entrepreneur, I understand the challenges you face in building your dream business. Now, networking isn't just about exchanging business cards or attending fancy events. It's about forming genuine connections that can propel your business forward. So keep in mind that in today's hyper-connected world, networking has become more critical than ever before. It's your secret sauce to opening doors to opportunities and accelerates your entrepreneurial journey. So to make the most out of your networking efforts, it's essential that you set clear and actionable goals. Hey, so ask yourself, what do I hope to achieve through networking? Whether it's connecting with industry leaders, finding potential clients, or seeking a mentor, defining your networking goals will keep you focused and motivated. So building authentic relationships is the heart of networking. It's about connecting on a human level and showing genuine interest in others. Remember that people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So focus on building meaningful connections based on mutual respect and shared interest. Now that you understand the importance of networking, let's dive into some practical strategies to expand your network. So from attending industry events and joining online communities to leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn, there's countless ways to network effectively and expand your sphere of influence. Now, networking, it can be intimidating, especially if you're a dropout navigating unfamiliar territory. But remember that every successful entrepreneur has faced these challenges along the way. Embrace discomfort, push past the fear, and watch as your confidence grows with each networking interaction. In today's digital age, online networking platforms offer a wealth of opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and industry experts. So take advantage of platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, aka X, or industry-specific forums to showcase your expertise, share valuable insights, and connect with potential collaborators. Networking isn't just about making initial connections. It's about nurturing relationships over time. Remember to follow up promptly after networking interactions, express gratitude for their time, and seek opportunities for further collaboration. Consistent follow-up is the key to building lasting relationships in the business world. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to networking as a dropout entrepreneur. Remember, success in business isn't about what you know, it's about who you know and how to leverage those connections. Hey, if you found this video to be helpful to you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and personal development. And don't forget to head over to wilfredoreyes.com to learn more about my coaching program as your accountability coach on entrepreneurship and personal development. Until next time, keep networking, keep chasing your dreams. This is Wilfredo Reyes signing off. I'll see you in the next video.